All right, what's happening, boys and girls? Today we're going to take a look at Weave Silk and we're going to create really awesome designs using Weave Silk the same way we did with This Is Sand. We're going to create something and then upload it to your Seesaw so you can share it with your classmates. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so our objective, we're going to use Weave Silk to create a design that inspires others. And we are going to use Weave Silk to create the design, and then Seesaw will be the way that we share our ideas. So creating a design using Weave Silk is super fun and creative, just like This Is Sand is. And what you want to do is really take your time and create something that is interesting to you and will be interesting to others. So Weave Silk actually uses math, like geometry and lines of symmetry, to help you create a design. And what you'll do is you'll pick your colors and then you'll click and drag on the screen and it'll make a symmetrical design using geometry, lines of symmetry to kind of form your shapes. As you can see down here, some folks have made some inspiring images of like Iron Man. There's Wolverine down here, and you can just make some really cool stuff. So let's go ahead and play with the tools and see what we can do. So to start my project, I need to go to Weave Silk. I have the link here in the slide. And then I use the tools to create my design. And then I save my design, show you how to do that. And then you upload your design to Seesaw. It's just like we did with This Is Sand. And remember, you decide what the colors are, you decide what the lines of symmetry are going to be. Everything is in your hands. As you can see, someone took a lot of time to create this cheetah, right? It's super dope. And so whoever made this had to put in a lot of time and effort into learning how to use the tools. So I'm not asking that you create this cheetah and then it looks exactly like that, but I am asking you to put forth your best effort and take your time to create something really awesome with these tools. Be an artist in this moment. Okay. All right, so first I'm going to go to Weave Silk. I'm going to click on the hyperlink and it's going to take me straight to Weave Silk. So let's check out some of these tools and then I'll create something. All right, so first, I can just click and start drawing something. If I go up here into the corner, in the upper left corner, I can see all of my settings. So I'm actually gonna click on my controls button here, and I can see that it has a bunch of different colors. If you're using a touch screen and you click on one of the colors, a lot of times it doesn't actually change colors. So make sure that you go ahead and use your touchpad to click on the colors. And I'm gonna mix orange and yellow. So I'm gonna drag my yellow into my orange and it mixes those colors. So I know that those are the colors that I'm going to use to start. Then down here, I can choose how many folds it does. So these are lines of symmetry. So imagine that you're folding a piece of paper over a bunch of times, and whatever you draw on that one piece is going to be drawn on every single fold. Okay, so if I do 6 folds, then it's going to make a lot of different designs, but I can change how many folds it makes. So to start off, I'm going to go with 5 folds. And then you can also have it mirror across the center. That means, so basically like whatever you see on one side, you'll see it on the other side as well, which is really cool. Especially if you're doing like a face or something that is going to be equal on both sides. And then you can also have your silk, like whatever you're drawing, come like and rotate toward the center of the image. So let's try it out and see what happens. Let's turn that on. Look at that. All right, cool. That's amazing. I love how beautiful it is. Let's mess around with some of these settings a little bit more. Let's turn the spiral toward the center off and the mirror off. All right, cool. Awesome. Let's change my color now. And then let's also do just a twofold. Let's go down the center. Cool. So without the mirroring, it doesn't automatically copy on what's on the left side to the right side of my image. It kind of takes that out. So let's try turning the mirroring on and see what that does. Cool. So whatever I'm drawing on this side is also on the right is also being drawn on the left. Exactly the same image. Cool. All right, awesome. This button right here will just give me full screen, so I can use my entire screen to play around and explore. The camera, just like in This Is Sand, the camera will help you save your picture. That's how you save. So to save your image, click there, and now this is the image down here, and it says to save, right click the thumbnail and choose Save Image As. So on your Chromebook, you're going to use your two fingers to click at the same time, and then hit Save Image As. And now you can name your image whatever you like. As you can see, I already have a couple projects saved. Cool. All right. So let's play. Let's see what we can create. All right, y'all. So I've completed a design. I really like that Iron Man piece that was created, and I wanted to create a piece that was like, what is the heart of Iron Man? What does his core look like? And so this is what I came up with. So what I'm going to do now is save it and then share it to my Seesaw. So I'm gonna click on my camera to save my picture. I'm gonna double click. Save Image As. Cool. All right, and I named this the Heart of Iron Man. Cool. So let's head over into my Seesaw. So I went to Google Classroom and I saw the link for Seesaw. It took me straight there, and now I'm ready to post in Miss Grass's class. All right, so I'm gonna click Add. I'm going to upload my file. Let's see, the Heart of Iron Man, open. Cool. And I click the checkbox to upload it. And just like last time, I'm going to create a text box and name my project. Heart of Iron Man. Cool, the Heart of Iron Man. And then to change this up, because it's kind of covering most of my picture, so I want to use it, put it in some of the black space where my image isn't. I'm going to click on my box and I'm just going to drag it to where I want it to go. I like it right there. I can also change some of the settings here. Now, Iron Man is a comic, so I'm going to use the comic style writing. And then I can kind of turn it wherever I want it to go. It looks kind of like a comic book. I actually want the title to be a lot bigger. So I'm just going to click on one of the corners, drag it open. There it is. Cool. I really like how that looks. The Heart of Iron Man. And I might make like a Superman one next, kind of DC and Marvel, DC versus Marvel type of thing, because I really like comics. So let's do it. And I feel like I'm really good I feel like this is good to go. So I'm gonna click the check. And there we go, the Heart of Iron Man. So now it's in your Seesaw, so make sure that you like and comment and give me some suggestions on what I can do next or what I can do to improve this design. All right, y'all, make sure that you're uploading your design in Seesaw so that I can see your work. Have a great time with Weave Silk with lines of symmetry and geometric shapes. All right. Peace, y'all.